everyone, I am really excited that you're coming along with me on this journey of mindful creation. Salami is also around here somewhere and will be blessing us with her fluffy presence today. Okay, so we have learned that our surroundings have a big impact on how we create a safe space for our creativity. And in this video, I will share a few things I do to help me get into that creative zone. First off, one of the best ways for me to shift from work mode into relaxation mode is by tidying up the little things in the room. So I put away my books and even rearrange some furnitures. And this whole process gives my mind a chance to gradually unwind. So when I finally settle down on my cushion, the space is clear and so is my mind. Also, even though I have a work table, I like to sit on the floor sometimes. It really helps me take a break from the seriousness of my art projects and stretch my muscles to loosen them up. I love working in an open area like this cozy living room, and it has like a big window that lets natural light come in all day. And then I grab my essential stuff like my iPad, the stand, and of course my Apple Pencil. I always keep a sketchbook and some colored pencil nearby, just in case I feel like experimenting with paper. I also bring in a soft pillow to help me get more comfortable. I prefer my creative space to be bright. I enjoy looking at the trees outside and being surrounded by my house plants and my large collection of books behind me. It keeps me motivated and helps me reduce my eye strain. So yes, this is my regular routine, but keep in mind that your way of finding a relaxed mindset might be different from mine. Your surroundings will be unique to you. So do what feels best to help you reach that calm state. I encourage you to carve out a personal quiet space where you can boost your creativity or simply reconnect with who you are. I hope that this video has given you a few ideas for your own personal space or personal sanctuary. If you have discovered your ideal spot, let's explore another method to help you unwind. I'll now catch you there.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Digital Art for Inner Peace Art Healing course. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video!